Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials: an active account, API key, and the official client. Once those are present, install Phanes CLI or the SDK so commands work locally. Next, open a terminal and authenticate immediately. Run the login command with your key. This step ensures you establish a secure session and avoids mid-process auth failures. Make sure your key has the necessary scopes. Without permissions, subsequent actions fail. After login succeeds, you're ready to create your first bot instance and proceed to configuration. Now you configure and train. Initialize a project and select the template that matches your use case, then import intents and sample utterances. Start with a subset so training iterates quickly. Once uploaded, set training parameters like temperature and max tokens to control responses. Then run a focused training pass, verify intent accuracy, and adjust mislabeled examples. If responses are inconsistent, rebalance training examples or increase data variety. Once validation metrics meet your threshold, deploy a staging instance to test live. To finish, deploy the bot to production and run end-to-end tests on primary user flows. You should simulate real queries and capture any failures, then iterate by adding targeted examples to the training set. Monitor logs and metrics after deploy so you spot latency or error spikes quickly. If something breaks, check logs for permission or rate limit errors, then restart the service and redeploy. One key troubleshooting tip: when behavior diverges, examine the last 50 user turns and add corrective training examples to fix the model's drift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.